In 2021, Elon Musk announced that Tesla was into a new product that would revolutionize the way we think about sustainable living. This new product is none other than a Tesla home, priced at a mind-blowing $15,000. Could it be real then? Yes, you heard that right, a possible $15,000 for a Tesla home. But what exactly is a Tesla home, and how can it be so affordable? This and more are in this video, so make sure to stay tuned, as we will be sharing with you about Elon Musk's affordable Tesla home. Welcome to Elon Musk Nation. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon to get updated with everything about Elon Musk. So what's the fuzz about Elon Musk's affordable Tesla home? Well, it's a tiny home, just like the one Elon Musk lives in, but with a twist. It is constructed entirely out of Tesla solar panels and has a Tesla Powerwall battery. This means that the home runs entirely on clean energy, making it not only affordable but environmentally friendly as well. So why is this such a big deal? For starters, it's a game changer in the world of sustainable living. For those who have been wanting to reduce their carbon footprint and live more sustainably, but couldn't afford the high cost of solar panels and batteries, the Tesla home is the solution they've been waiting for. The benefits don't stop there. The Tesla home is also mobile, meaning it can be moved anywhere you want to go. This opens up a world of possibilities for those who want to live off the grid or travel the country while still enjoying the comforts of home. So the Tesla home is the answer whether you're looking for a sustainable living solution, want to reduce your carbon footprint, or simply want a mobile home that runs on clean energy. And if this could be purchased at $15,000, it's affordable for just about anyone. Elon Musk's primary residence is currently different from the lavish mansion we all know he can afford. Instead, he lives in a 50,000 square foot tiny house near SpaceX's Boca Chica, Texas, development and testing facility. Musk tweeted in June 2021 that he had sold most of his assets, including his tiny home, which he used as his primary residence. So, why does Elon Musk sell his luxurious home and move into a tiny prefab house worth $50,000? His announcement that he will sell his last house isn't an unexpected move. As I previously stated, Musk has announced on Twitter that he owns only one house in the San Francisco Bay Area, which he rents out for events. And if it were sold, the house would have less use than it does unless it was purchased by a large family, which may or may not occur in the future. Additionally, Musk reportedly sold the house since the ProPublica report disclosed that American billionaires like Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett seldom pay their fair share of taxes. So since Musk sold his luxurious home, where does he live? He previously stated in a post that he rents a $50,000 house from SpaceX in Chica Boca, or Starbase, as his primary residence. And as Musk's primary residence, it's pretty cool. Tesla's insane new tiny house, along with Elon Musk's space colony in Boca Chica, Texas, was officially announced by Elon Musk following this announcement. Considering Musk's track record and his many incredible projects, it seems likely that he will be able to create Starbase, but little is known about it. So, although Elon Musk is a billionaire, he moved into a mysterious apartment instead of living in a luxurious mansion. This house is so well designed that Musk would adore living in it. Now, who built and designed Musk's Tesla house? With Tesla's shares increasing by 500% in 2020 alone, Elon Musk has seen his fortune soar. Despite this, rather than a sprawling mansion, Elon Musk's Starbase Texas house is a 20-foot by 20-foot box built in bulk. That's right, Musk now lives in a 400-square-foot studio. Boxable, a construction startup that specializes in easy-to-assemble housing modules, designed his house in a sense. In addition, buying a house through Boxable can cost up to $50,000. This figure excludes landscaping permits and utility hookup fees. The Boxable homes aren't exactly lavish, so Musk has plenty of funds to fill in the details by design. For the record, Boxable posted a video of the casita in November 2020 to announce that the company had built the home for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica. Although no names were mentioned, Boca Chica isn't exactly a hotbed of fame and celebrity, even for those who have a poster of the Falcon 9 rocket on their door. Aside from this, Boxable also constructed a custom home in Boca Chica to meet the needs of a top-secret client. That is where he is currently residing, according to Musk. Additionally, Boxable homes are made in factories to fold into shipping containers, So discovering what is inside that enigmatic house should be simple. Walls, floors, and roofs are all made of laminated panels, making them legal for use on highways after years of prototyping using steel concrete and EPS foam to determine which materials would not degrade. In some states, delivery is free. However, there are extra costs for remote locations. Although delivery and unpacking are included in the $50,000 price, additional costs, such as permits, might raise the final cost. In addition, the unit has plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning already installed and prepared for connection. Further, you can see the interior of the casita in the floor plan, which can also be modified by fusing different modules. Then it has 375 square feet of living area and a fully furnished studio setup. Additionally, it has a 10-foot ceiling, as well as sizable windows and doors. Even though it is compact, it has a full kitchen with a refrigerator, double sink, and dishwasher. The countertops also extend along the walls to form a dining area. Additionally, it leaves a small carbon footprint, allowing you to build a house almost anywhere. Musk chose Boca Chica, Texas, which puts him close to the SpaceX launch pad. These homes are remarkably durable and do not require Musk to commute any longer. Contrary to popular belief, it is so portable that even the Tesla Model X can move it around. Additionally, that vehicle is more expensive than this house, with a value of $79,990. Now that we may finally understand Elon's motivation for his choices, why should he get rid of all those extra things exactly? This seems to be Musk's strategy for having the smallest carbon footprint possible. What do you think of that? Musk does not currently own a luxury yacht or a home worth $1 million, in contrast to the majority of the world's billionaires. Elon has also been living this way for a long time. This makes it less surprising that he downgraded his house despite making repeated promises to do so. Thus, Musk doesn't seem to be regretting his choice at all, according to what it sounds like. In response to a question about his tiny house in Texas, he tweeted, "My primary home is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, or Starbase, that I rent from SpaceX. It's somewhat awesome though. The only house I own is the events house in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would see less use, unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday." Do you think we could purchase this Tesla house for $15,000? Since many people are interested in purchasing this home, this is likely to happen. However, given the law of supply and demand, it is also understandable that since Elon Musk, the social media king, purchased this property, its price will rise due to its increased popularity rather than decrease because of Elon Musk's purchase. In the meantime, this house's current price of $50,000 remains unaltered. That's all for this video about Elon Musk's going public with a $15,000 Tesla home, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates about Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX, make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.